Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking causes cancer. പുകവലി ആരോഗ്യത്തിന് ഹാനികരം. പുകവലി അർബുദത്തിന് കാരണമാകുന്നു.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel everyone. If you are a science fiction adventure film lover, AXL is definitely a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. Now let's move on to the movie. AXL is a 2018 American science fiction adventure film written and directed by Oliver Daly and starring Alex Neustadter, Becky G, Alex McNichol, Dominic Raines, and Thomas Jane. It tells the story of a teenage boy who encounters a robotic dog created from cutting-edge military technology. It was released in the United States on August 24, 2018, by Global Road Entertainment. Receiving generally negative reviews from critics and grossing only $15 million against its $9 million budget, it was a box office flop. AXL is a top-secret, robotic dog created by Androk, a Crane Systems scientist, to assist and protect soldiers. The project is funded by the military. Code-named AXL by the scientists who created it, the robot embodies advanced next-generation artificial intelligence. After a trial goes wrong, AXL is discovered hiding alone and damaged in the desert by outsider and motorbike racer Miles Hill, himself alone and abandoned by Sam Fontaine after falling from his motorbike during a stunt. Miles and AXL connect after the robot's owner pairing technology is activated. AXL goes to great lengths to help and protect his new companion. Becoming himself bonded with AXL, Miles teams up with the smart, resourceful Sarah Reyes to protect his new best friend. They go to a remote hideout that Sarah uses as an art studio. AXL presents Miles with a device which takes a blood sample and completes the pairing process. Sam arrives and confronts Sarah, jealous of her relationship with Miles. AXL attacks Sam and Miles uses the situation to threaten him, telling him to leave Sarah alone. Sarah is angry that Miles has inflamed an already bad situation, but says she will not leave Miles. Leaving AXL, they go back to Miles' home and tell his father, Chuck, about the robot. Chuck advises them to return it to its owners. Meanwhile, Sam returns with his crew and burns AXL with a flamethrower. Sarah sees the live recording on her phone and she and Miles take off to save him. They are too late, but AXL gives them a location to get him repaired. Meanwhile, a man sent by Androk shows up at Chuck's house and demands to know the location of the device that controls AXL. Chuck grows suspicious and outmaneuvers the man, demanding answers to his own questions. The man reveals he is looking for AXL. Miles and Sarah take AXL to a garage, where the robot begins repairing itself. Androk sees a log of its location and sends a team to retrieve it. The agents arrive and try to retrieve the robot while it is still repairing. The repairs finish just in time, and AXL subdues the operatives. As AXL reboots, he recalls being burned with a flamethrower, and races off to kill Sam. Miles and Sarah rush to stop him. Sam and his friends are partying when AXL arrives. Sam tries again to burn him with the flamethrower, but the fuel runs out. Miles and Sarah arrive and convince AXL not to kill Sam. A swarm of drones arrives and disables AXL. Miles and Sarah are captured and delivered to Crane Systems. Androk tries to override Miles' control of AXL, but fails. When Miles refuses to reveal where the remote is, Androk programs AXL to attack Sarah. Sarah manages to convince AXL not to attack her, by reminding him of how she drew a feather at the hideout. Captain Weber, Androk's military superior, shows up. Andrak tries to escape, but is arrested. Knowing they are surrounded, Sarah allows herself to be captured. Miles and AXL escape, but are pursued by a helicopter. They race through hilly terrain until Miles falls from his motorbike. Miles orders AXL to run. AXL obeys and tries to get as far away as possible before self-destructing, whilst uploading to the internet all the memories he, Miles and Sarah had together. Having finished, AXL looks at Miles' image for the last time, and says, "Yo. Send it," before finishing the self-destruct sequence. Miles then allows himself to be captured by the military. 6 weeks later, Andrak has been imprisoned for violating national security and endangering the lives of civilians. He is visited by Weber, who informs him that AXL's code has resurfaced and wants to know what it is doing. Sarah and Miles have gone to college with scholarships provided by the military, to buy their silence and to keep an eye on them. Sarah and Miles are spending a day hanging out at the beach, studying and playing with their new puppy, when Sarah hands him an envelope. Miles opens it and pulls out a note from his dad saying, "This yours?" He flips the envelope upside down and AXL's remote falls out into his hand. He asks Sarah if he should press it. The device uploads an AXL app onto their phones. They realize that AXL has somehow survived and is trying to return to them. If you like this movie, like and share it. If you have seen this movie, don't forget to write your comments about the movie in the comment box. Those who haven't seen it, definitely watch it. The link to the movie is given in the description box. If you like this movie, please like and share it. See you in the next video. Thank you. Until then, greetings.